Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video I'm going to show you how to add a link to Threads profile. So first, you need to open my TikTok application to get the link of my TikTok profile. So tap this TikTok app right here and then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then from here, tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and then you will go here, a message shows up, then tap on settings and privacy. Then from here you need to find the share profile, then tap on this copy link. As you can see, link copied. Now let's go back to the Threads app, and here as you can see the homepage of Threads. All you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then from here you need to tap this edit profile button, and from here you find that link option here, so just tap this one. And as you can see, I have a current link right here, so I just want to remove this one to show you how to add link, and then paste the link right here, so as you can see. And then you can also customize this link right here. I can just have to delete this one until my profile name. Then once you've done, tap on the check icon at the top right corner and then tap on done. And it will show up on your profile page right here, the TikTok link. So if you want to tap this TikTok link right here, you will directly go to the TikTok account right here. So you can open my TikTok profile. So that's how you basically add a link to Threads profile. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.